Alright, language explorers. Let's look at some more jokes. I don't play soccer because I enjoy sports. I'm just doing it for the kicks. How does Moses make coffee? He brews it. A backwards poem writes in verse. To the guy who invented the zero. Thanks for nothing. Why is Kylo Ren so angry? Because he's always Ben Solo. Ben Solo. Don't judge a meal by the look of the first course. It's very superficial. I'm reading a book about anti-gravity. It's impossible to put down. The tale of the haunted refrigerator was chilling. I bought a wooden whistle, but it wouldn't whistle. What do you call an elephant that doesn't matter? An irrelevant. Have you ever tried to milk a cow which has been cut in half? Utter madness.